amazing. I enjoyed the learning and going through the basics and also getting to try the harder stuff and getting to drill and feel the bone and having the instructors guide me to give me lots of tips and tricks, the measurements from the beginning of planning to the execution of the implants. And even though I am quite a stress freak and I get put off when things don't go well. So I have to manage that, and I feel that by coming on this course, it really helps me go up a level. If I make any errors or what, I can think how it happened. So it's like a fast-paced learning. Rather than make mistakes at home, you got to learn from people who have done it many times, and then rather than you making a mistake, you learn it quicker way, in a few days. I think the takeaway would be remember how I'm holding the handpiece, because that to me was really important. I didn't know that before. I've done 10 implants, never worked that out, and how to feel the bone and use your hand or your fingers to support your orientation. And I think that was my main thing, to work that out, because just think on the spot. And planning, I enjoyed planning because planning is really important, even if you did surgery guided. So because if things go wrong, at least you've done such a plan, and the checklist as well that was given to go through and make sure you know what you're doing on the day, the measurements, and step by step. It helps you when you're a newbie at implants.
I love Mumbai. Definitely one of the main reasons I wanted to do this course was because it was in Mumbai. I do love Mumbai as a city. Like, the food is amazing, and you'll get amazing food every day. But yeah, it's a great place to be. The patients are amazing. So yeah, definitely recommend Mumbai.